I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Dahil ngayon nga guys, talaga namang namimili na nga itong mga hurado ng PGT para sa semi-finalist na kung saan ay talaga namang masyadong ginalingan ng ating Donnie Pangilinan dito. Narito nga guys, ang mas lalo ngang hinangaan nito ang ating Donnie Pangilinan. Narito ang nasabing video, sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
Why don't we do this, sir? Why don't we put already yung top 5 natin muna?
Kasi you'll be limiting yourself. Akin, let's get as much as we can and then we narrow it down there.
Ayon nga guys sa mga bula, Donnie respectfully suggesting to FMG how they can narrow their choices down and being open to his directives. But he continued to step up and actively suggest sa other judges. He's young and new judge, but it's like he's a veteran at this. Chosen hura Donnie. Iyan na nga guys ang pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more updates sa ating couple.